Dodge City, Kansas, Dodge City Days, Cattle Drive. Oh, somebody's got a little pony. Yeah, those horses are talking a little bit. Again, this is Dodge City Days Cattle Drive. So they're having Dodge City Days, and we're near the end of the Dodge City Days week or so, and it's in Dodge City, Kansas, and it's the Cattle Drive. And it's funny, this landscaping is pretty, but it's actually pretty tough as well. And when these longhorns go through the brush, they're cutting right through it, and sometimes they're even eating it, but it still looks good after they get done. Dodge City, Kansas, it's Dodge City Days, and this is the Cattle Drive.